Hey y'all, tonight I'm going to be making wassail. It's long been a tradition in my home since I was a child. I thought everyone had heard of wassail and included it in their holiday or fall traditions, Christmas traditions, whichever you prefer. But then I married someone who came here after living 15 years in Ohio, and he'd never even heard of it. I said, "You've never heard the song where they say, 'Here we come a-wassailing among the leaves so green'?" And he said no, he'd never had eggnog either, much to my surprise. So I'm going to show you how I make it. Now, you can make it alcoholic, but you can add that later to your own cup. Some people add brown sugar. I don't. I may sometimes add some honey to my own cup, but for the most part, it's just the juices that are sweet enough for me. So thank you for watching, and let's get started. For my recipe, you need an orange, some orange juice, some apple cider, some pineapple juice, some cinnamon sticks, some ground cinnamon, and some whole cloves. You need at least half of this container. Tommy drank the other half, which is fine, but we have enough left to make our wassail. So we're going to take the gallon. You get a half gallon. That's all you're going to end up using anyway. We're going to pour the apple cider into the crock pot, or your pan if you're using a pan. All right, so I've poured half a gallon of apple cider in here. Now I'm going to put a quarter gallon of orange juice, half the can of pineapple juice, and now I'm going to slice my oranges. Now I'm going to take the sliced oranges and I'm going to put them into the crock pot. If you want to put more than one, you can. Sometimes I put two, just depends. It's really just for looks. You have orange juice in here already, so you don't really need to. It's all up to you. Now I'm going to add 3 cinnamon sticks. Sprinkle some whole cloves in here. I don't measure this. I never have. Just kind of give it a good dousing of whole cloves. Okay. And now we're going to add some cinnamon. Again, I don't measure. Just sprinkle it in there. Go ahead and stir them all together. Oh my gosh, I left That's hilarious. This is what you'll have. Once the mixture starts to heat up, that cinnamon will sort of mix in with everything. I'm going to add more cinnamon because I know that it's supposed to be kind of a brown color. I'm going to go ahead and add some more. And we're going to turn the crock pot on. I'm going to turn it on for 3 hours on high. And we're going to let this sit here and simmer for a while. I'll be back in a few hours. And this is what it will look like after about 3 hours. Now I did add some more oranges in here. That's why you see the fresher oranges are on top and the other ones have sunk. Now I will sometimes add some honey to mine to make it a little sweeter, but I usually just add that to my cup. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy your wassail.